This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so these are few objective which multiple choice. Which is correct, you can tell. Which command is used to set terminal IO characteristics? Miss terminal details, which command? How to check the terminal details?
I think first one is STTY.
Okay, TTY command, we can get the terminal details. Second, which command is used to display the operating system name? This is also done.
Uname.
Uname.
Kernel, sir.
No, kernel is not a command. That is one layer. Uname is a command. It will display the operating system name, Linux or whatever it is called. Okay, which command is used to display the UNIX operating system version? Which parameter? Uname is the command, but which parameter? We did this also.
Uname -t.
No, R. Okay, UNIX based version R. Next, which command is used for displaying message?
Echo.
Echo. Which command is used to find the limits of the session? Okay, this is ulimit. We have not covered. This is means disable, not working, but the command is ulimit. The session limit. So till which time some means these are having some admin related things. So they can give the session limit. If you are not available in our system, then after how much time it will be disabled, means it will be disconnected. For that purpose, ulimit. Which command is used to display the free space on the file system? Okay, this is not covered. If you know, you can tell which command. DF for disk. DU for disk usage. So how much it is used, those details it will display, and how much it is free, that it will display in DF. Okay, disk means that server. Okay, which command for help purpose?
Man, sir. Man.
Okay. 8. Which command is used for who are currently logged in and what they are doing?
W.
Who are currently logged in, what they are doing, extra information. Last, login details, which command? Login related commands we discussed now 6 commands. Finger, logname, whoami, who, w, last. So out of all those login commands, which login commands will display the last logged users details? He logged in or logged up, we can get the detail away or not away.
I think log
Logname, if you are asking, then your details it will display. I am asking my details, it will display. But out of all those, in your team, suppose 10 persons are logged in that server. So who is last logged on? Last.
First one, sir. Yeah.
First one. Okay, so only last if you will give, then it will display the recently logged in details, 5, 7, 8, 10 persons. So in those, again we want to filter only the last person who logged in. Suppose in your team one person logged in 9:15, another person logged in 9:20. another logged in 9:53. So who logged in last? Only that person details we want. So -1. So that only one person details it will be who is last logged in. Last -10, last 10% details it will be. Only last. Then it will not restrict 10 or 20, it will go up to 100 or something. Which command is used to display all the information of Unix operating system? If you don't know the exact parameter, then what to do? We discussed that. Which parameter that is?
Username O, sir. Uname O.
No, -A. A for all information. Okay. Okay, so we'll discuss next is control terminal, color and cursor. This is not much important, but if you know well and good. If you are learning, then everything we have to cover you should know. So tput is one command. Using this tput command, we can set the terminal related things. So in the terminal, color we can change, cursor position also we can change. For that, what is the command? Tput is the command name. These are few uses of tput command. Tput cop. Cop is one parameter of this tput command. So it will do the cursor position, it will set. Okay, so direct we can go here and use. Okay, tput cop. Tput cop, after that two numbers we have to give so that it will set our cursor position. 12 and 30. So one is for column, another is for row. So the cursor will move to that position. Now where is our cursor? Here the cursor is displaying in this position. Now cop 15, 30. Cursor came here. So this is 15 row number and 30 is the column number. So here column number, how it is coming? First column, second column, third column, fourth column, like that it will come. So this is first column, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. So wherever it is 30, that position. And again row number 15 we have given. So first one is row, second is column. So this is first row, second row, third row, fifth row, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15th row. So it will change or it will move the cursor position with this row number and this column number, whatever we are giving. 5, 10. Here it came, the cursor position. Anything it will work, PWD, everything it will work. But the cursor position changed here. Okay. Next is tput clear. It will clear the screen. Tput clear. Now screen is clear. Only clear also it is clearing the screen. Tput clear also it will clear. Shortcut is Control L. Now tput calls. how many columns are there in the screen, that it will display. Total 69 columns are there. Put lines, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. In the screen, how many rows are there, that it will display. 69 columns and 20 rows. If we will reduce this size, okay, now this is our screen size. Now again we can give 16 lines, 44 columns. So based on the size of the screen and size of our text, how many columns, how many rows can contain, it will check and it will display that. If we'll reduce our size, now we have given 28 size, this text. If you'll reduce to 12 or something, then again it will increase. If we'll increase the size again, 38 or 40, then again it will reduce the column count and the row count. So rows and columns we can check in this way. In our screen, how many rows can contain, how many column can contain, based on our size which we have selected, that it will display here. Next is put set B, set F. Set B for background color, set F for foreground color. Put set B background. Foreground means this text. Background means now I highlighted this text. So how it is showing in backside, white color type. That is the background. So background is there and another is foreground. Foreground is the text and means backside of the text what is there, that is the background. So we can change those color also. Put set B. So first we can change the background. 7 or 8 colors are there. Different numbers are there, different colors. Okay, put set B 1, blue color it changed. 2, this color. 3, 4, red color. 5, 6, yellow color. 7, white color. 8, not changing, white. 9, again it can come back. So these are different colors. Similarly, set F, F for foreground. Here also we can start from 1. Same colors only it will come for text now. Foreground means text. Blue color, green color, red, okay. So here already we reached to white. So in this way it can be set with the colors. Next is put bold and SGR0. It is not O0. Okay. So bold, it will display in bold. SGRO, it will come back to normal. Put bold. Now here it was normal. We have given put bold, so it is displaying in bold now. LS. So these are displaying in bold. Now we want to come back normal. Then SGR0 we can use. SGR0. Now it came back to normal. All are in normal. Okay, next is put CVs and CNorm. Another is put small RML. So small we can give put small. Now underline is coming. Small. We can type anything underscore it. ls. Okay, so few lines it is coming, after that it is not going, but this is for underline. Now arml if you will give, then it will ignore that. Arml. Okay, now I am giving one command, you can just see and tell what happened. Okay, here is our cursor, we have not changed any cursor position also. Put can you tell what happened? You observed anything? Except Punita, Ravi?
Cursor position is not showing, sir.
Okay, good. So where is the cursor now? Okay, we can give something. Yes, it is working, but where is the cursor? So cursor hidden now. So if you see this, cursor will not display. It will work, everything will work, but cursor will not come. That is serious. Another is C norm. So if cursor is hidden, again we want to get it back, then C norm. Put now again cursor can. Okay, so these are few commands related to tput, and this is basically used for color and cursor of the screen. Okay, another is dudf. You can see here, it's not covered. Du, disk usage. So here different drives are there. We have in this UNIX directory, C drive, A drive means a directory, C directory, then A directory, under that B, only A, D, F, B, E. These are different directory. So in which directory, what is the usage that it is displaying? 116 kilobytes. This is for directory wise du, and df, this is for partition of this directory, means this server. This is server related df, and du is directory related. Okay, so this can be your partition, that can be server partition, that can be directory partition, that is called as disk. So if you are using in your server, Unix server, this df command, then so many sub-servers will be there. Here we don't have any sub-servers that are one to which are splitted automatically while installation, that only it is coming. Dev SDA2, Dev SDA1, these two servers, and TMPFS, this is one server. So total 3 servers, by default it is splitting while installing the software. But if you see in your project level anywhere which you are working, then so many sub-servers will be there. Your server will be one. That server will be again partitioned into 10, 20, 30, 100 sub-servers. So those sub-server details it will display. How many kilobytes with all those server, then how much it is used. This is the total size in kilo blocks. This is the total size which is used. This is the total size available, and percentage which is used, and from which directory onwards it is mounted or splitted, that will come. So these details we will get in this df, and only directory related we want to see. Then under our current directory, what are the different directories, sub directories are splitted in that. Those details it will display, that is du. Okay, so in this df also some parameters are there, -k, kilobyte it will display by default, also kilobyte. If you want to display in megabyte, then m we can give, then gigabyte, g we can give. Okay, g is not working, so which are working, that it will display megabyte, kilobyte, gigabyte, petabyte, zettabyte. Just give one character only. So So which are available, that it will display. By default, it's kilobyte only it will display. So mostly kilobyte, megabyte only it is using. Okay. Next, we'll discuss how the path available and how we can move one path to other path. Okay, then we can go for the directory creation, file creation, all those things in next class tomorrow. So today, just directory movement we can see. Okay, so for directory movement, CD is the command name. Full form is change directory. Using this CD command, we can change from one path to another path. CD, and here few symbols are used. One is dot, another is double dot, another is forward slash, and another is tilde symbol. These are 4 symbols available. So this single dot means it represents current directory. All are directory related movement only. CD is for only directory movement, not for file. So current directory it will represent current, or that is also called as present. Then double dot if you are giving, then that is previous or parent or previous. Forward slash, that is root. Tilde symbol, that is home. Okay, so one directory structure, already we discussed one topic, starting from root. In Unix or Linux operating system, the directory will start from root only. Not like A drive, B drive, C drive, E drive in Windows operating system. Okay, so it will start from root, then this will represent for home directory. So whenever we are logged in, just now we logged in, suppose another terminal we can open up. Okay, new session suppose. Again I am connecting. Admin. I have not changed any path. Here I changed some path, but here in this new terminal I have not changed any path. So whenever we are connecting, first time it is prompting to one path. This is the path. So after connecting or after login, which path it is coming? That is our home directory. So this is my home directory I am using. So in Office also, if you will see, the admin people are setting the home directory path for different teams. For testing team, one path they are doing the setting. For admin team, one path. For support team, one path. For development team, one path. For DevOps, one path. Like that, team wise they are setting, not person specific wise. Person specific wise means lakhs of employees are working in one organization. Many people are using that server. So that is very difficulty. So team wise or some server wise or specific project wise, they are setting the path. So whenever you are connecting, login with your user ID and password, it will prompt to one path, that is called your home directory path. That is for your home directory, not for other persons. You are prompting to this path. That doesn't mean that other persons also prompting. Maybe, may not be other persons. So who are prompting to that path after login, that is their home directory. If you are prompting to this path, this is your home directory. Okay, so another is root, ls minus. Okay, so first we can go here, cd forward slash, it will go to root. Now we reached here in root, pwd, root is displaying. Previously under Unix directory we were there, now under root. So how to change to root directory? Cd is the command name, then path we have to give. So what is that path? Root symbol. This is the root symbol and it will go to the root directory. cd tilde symbol we can give. This will jump to home directory. Wherever you can present, it will jump to home directory. Now this is our home directory, pwd, home admin. So before some time we logged in without changing anything. When it prompted this directory, so this is my home directory. So cd this tilde symbol, it will go to the home directory. CD dot, enter. It will go to the current directory. So already we are present in current directory. Again we are asking to change to current directory. So it will not move further. It will keep remain same here only. Because current to current. We are in current directory, again we are asking to go current directory. So it will not go anywhere. So whenever you are moving any files, copying anything, in that case this dot you can understand. Now here if you are changing to the current directory, then no movement will happen because current to current means no meaning. Another is CD double dot. So one step before it will go. Right now we are present here, home admin. Root, under that root home is there, under that home admin is there. Here we are present. Now double dot if you will give, then one step back it will go, or it will go to the previous directory or parent directory. So parent directory or previous directory of admin is home. Previous or parent directory of home is root. Enter. Now it is in home directory. Now again you are giving dot dot. Root it can, pwd, root. Okay. So in this way, these are the 4 paths. We can switch from one path to other path. Now, suppose we are in root. Okay, now we want to jump into one path. So that path also we can mention. This path, suppose. CD under root home, under home admin. Okay. So in this way, we can switch to previous, then current, then home directory path, then some other path. Now we will take one example and how we can change from one path to other path. We'll discuss. Suppose this is one path, root. Under root, AB is one directory. Under that, CD, EF, GH, IJ, KL, MN, OP, QR, ST. This is the path, suppose. Under this AB only CD is there. Under that EF is there. Under that GH. So this is the path. Now in this path, which is root? This root symbol. This is the root one, origin one. And where we are present? Suppose here we are present. Our cursor is blinking here, suppose. This is our current path. And which is our home path? Suppose IG. This is our home path. This is suppose home. Okay, now using this CD command, we can switch our path to EF directory. Here we want to go. This will be our destination, suppose. Okay. So you know now where we have to go, EF directory. Which is your root directory, this root symbol. Where you are present, this ST directory. Here you are present currently. We can mention C. Currently you are present. Then this is your home directory, IG. Everything you are present now, and you know all these commands also how to go. CD is the command. Dot it will go to current. Double dot it will go to parent. Root symbol it will go to root, and this symbol, tilde symbol, it will go to home directory. So suppose this is our structure. You are currently present under this ST directory. This is our complete path. So from starting to ending, if you will mention, then that is called as a absolute path, complete path. Partially, if you will mention, then that is called as a partial path. From here to here, this is partial path. From starting to ending, this is called as a absolute path. Now using this CD, you can tell how we will reach to this EF. In different approach you can tell. Using this, using this, using
CD.
this, you can tell.
CD root symbol.
Okay.
EF.
Then
From AB, CD, EF.
Okay, so
The
root we
path.
can, it means it will go to root. After that, we want again up to this. So the same path you can
Yes.
mention under that.
Yes.
Okay. So it will come to this path.
Destination. Yeah.
Okay, so this is one way. Other way, another person can tell. Punita, can you tell one? Hello, Punita, are you there? Pranish? Try and tell Akshay, Rahul. This is not one-way communication. You are doing the course.
Yes, Prakash.
Sir, hello.
Hello.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, if we want to go like one or two, three steps for backward, then it's like cd dot dot forward slash dot dot, then again forward slash dot dot. Yeah. It's like that.
Okay. So one dot dot it will come here. Another dot dot it will come here. Two dot dot, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dot dot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will reach here. This is another way. Another way we can tell. Rahul, can you tell another way? Use everything you can use from here. Using root, Ravi told. Using dot dot, Punita told. Rahul, can you tell using by this?
Yeah, we have to give till MN, sir, that home.
Okay, so CD tile symbol you can give. So the direct it will come, it can be present anywhere, direct it will come to your home directory. Here. Now from here again you
Okay.
have to go back previous. So how many dot you have to give? Forward slash.
Like till another 4 you have to give forward slash.
How 4? Here you already reached in this tile symbol.
Yeah. From back we have to go
Back
GHEF.
here. This is our requirement. In this we have to reach destination point here. So 2 times
Yeah.
we have to do.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are 3 approach we can use. And another is lengthy one that is not preferable, which is CD double dot enter, CD double dot enter, CD double dot enter. This is not the good one. So instead of that, we can use this one, forward slash, forward slash, forward slash. So CD double dot enter, CD double dot enter. Instead of that, double dot, forward slash, double dot. Same meaning. Again, enter CD double dot. You can give double dot. Same meaning only. So this is the shortest one. Okay. So out of all these, which is the means shortest one, which is the means lengthy one. This is the lengthy approach. This is the shortest one. This is also shortest one. So which is the shortest one, small one, shortcut, that only we have to use. Anywhere if you are doing practice or writing something in your project or anywhere, which is the small one, that only always preferable. So it is not like that always this will be shortest. Sometimes this will be lengthy. Suppose we want to go here. You are present here in CD or AB, but we want to go to MN. So this will be lengthy one. This will be the short one. So in some cases this will be short one, some cases this will be the small, some cases this will be the small. So which is the small one, small path, short one, that only we have to refer always. But for interview, all the paths you have to tell, all the way. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt here, sir. How do we define home directory, sir?
No, home directory will not define. Whenever it is installed the software, automatically it will come, which is home directory. So if it is required to define, that is admin task. So in project, admin people will define our home directory. Testing team, development team, for every team they will define that. Okay, so whenever
Okay,
we
sir.
are working, we have to work, support development and testing people will work onwards our home directory. Means right side of our home directory we have to work. Anywhere we are logging, suppose here, this is our home directory path. So this path onwards, right side which are present, there only we can work, testing, development and support. Admin people will work before that, not after that, before that. That is admin work. So this is the middle point, base point, home directory. Home directory before admin people work, home directory after support, development and testing. So we will not touch before that. For that, separate course, separate topic, separate knowledge is required. If you go there, then so many problems will happen. So in office, they are not giving that access also before home directory, root access and other things they are not giving also. Permission denied, it will display.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is how to move the directory. Now we can create this type of structure and we can move. So for creating this type of structure, what to create? Directory we have to create. To directory creation, what is the command? mkdir is the command name. Okay, so mkdir. One directory, if you are creating A, it will create one directory. If multiple directory we are creating, then mkdir A, B, C, D, E, F, like that we can create. Suppose A is already created, again we are creating, then it will not create again. With same name in same path, it will not create. These are new, it will create. This is not new, so it will not create again. It will show one message, this file or directory already exists. Okay, so wherever we are present, in that directory, all these directory it will create. So we can tell those as subdirectory. A is a main directory. Under that, if you are creating some other directory, then it is subdirectory. If we are not creating subdirectories, direct we are creating only, then those are not subdirectories. Only directories we can tell. Suppose under A, B we want to create. Under B, C, under C, D, under D, E, under E, F. In that structure we want to create, then those are subdirectories. So B is a subdirectory of A. So in that case, how to write this? Minus P is one parameter. And here forward slash we have to give. Forward slash. Okay, so minus P is one parameter we have to give, so that it will create a structure. Subdirectory wise it will create. So this is called as recursive structure. Some are telling it as recursive, some are telling it as tree structure, some are telling it as hierarchy structure. Any name you can tell, that is fine. It will be looks like tree, starting from A, under that B, under that C, under that D, under that E, under that F. It is not like that, under that. All are in same position. We are present in one directory, then all these are coming under one directory, same directory only. So this is different and this is different. So this is called as, this last one, recursive or tree structure, hierarchy structure. So hierarchy structure, if you are creating, minus P parameter is required, and all those directory names we can write with forward slash, forward slash, forward slash. Then only it will create. Okay, so now we can create some directory. mkdir A. Pronish, no audio. Okay, so you are able to hear now?
Yes.
Okay, then Pronish, maybe you have some sound or mic problem. Others are able to hear. Okay, so mkdir A we created. ls. Here A is coming. Earlier it was not there, now A is coming. If we want to delete that, rmdir, same directory name A. Now again, if we'll see, A is not there, it is deleted. Okay, so we can go here in one directory and we can work on that. Here A, B, C, D, some are there already. So we can do one thing. mkdir. Dir is one directory we can create. Now go to that directory, cd dir. Now we are currently present here. pwd is used to display the present working directory. So here this is the path. We are present. Now under this path, nothing is there under this dir directory. Now freshly we can create here. No confusion. mkdir a ls a is coming. Again we can create mkdir a b c d e. Okay, so here what it is displaying, cannot create directory A because A already it is created here present. It is exist showing. Now we can check A is there already, BCDE created. BCDE created. Now we want to remove RMDIR we can give. One directory want to remove. One directory you can mention. Removed. Multiple directory if we want to remove RMDIR A space B space C space D space E. B. A is already removed. Don't give that. B, C, D, E. No error message. Now you can check. Nothing is there. All are deleted. mkdir is for creating directory. rmdir is for deleting directory. Now structure wise we can create mkdir A directory, under that B, under that C, under that D, under that E, F, G. This is the structure we can create. It will not work. So structure wise, if you are creating hierarchy structure, recursive structure, tree structure, then minus p parameter we have to use. Then it will work. Now no error message. Now you can see only one it will display because under this current working directory, only one directory we created, that is A. Under A, B is there. So if we'll go to A directory, how to go? CD A. Now pwd, we are present in A directory. You can see the path. Now ls, what it will display? Under A, B is there. Only B it will display. Similarly, if we'll go to B, then only C will display. If we'll go to C, then only D will display. So all these are recursive structure. All are not present in same path. Earlier we created, all are in same path. 4 directories are present under this path, B, C, D, E. Okay, now we are creating structure wise. Okay, so how to check then? We can go back. cd dot dot. Here we are present. Here only we created ls minus capital R. Recursively it will display. So tomorrow we'll discuss ls also. So here you can see ls minus R. Recursively it is displaying the structure. First A is there. Under A B is there. Under A B C is there. Under A B C D. Under A B C D E. Under A B C D E F. A B C D E F G H I, under that J. So complete structure it is displaying ls minus R. So in this way we can create the structure, hierarchy structure of the directory also. Now how we can delete all those? rmdir sem minus p. Then we can mention this path. Okay, so under our current working directory only A is created. So direct we can give A. Here if you are giving /A, then problem will come. So what it will understand? It will search from root directory. Under root A, it will search. If under root A is there and this type of structure, it will delete. If not found, then it will display this is not found, not exist. So don't give this. So whenever you are in present working directory and under that onwards only you are working, giving some directory name, no need to mention any path, no confusion here. If you will mention that path, then completely you can mention under that root what is there, admin, then home, then complete path you can mention. Otherwise, don't mention anything. Okay, so rmdir minus p and this hierarchy structure path. Enter. Okay, so A is one directory, B is one directory not empty. ls A is coming. A rmdir minus p b. Okay, it should delete, not deleting. We created freshly only in this dir, no confusion here. So delete that. rmdir minus p is used for structure deletion. So here first directory is a, directory not empty. Okay, rm we can do. Okay, so maybe this rmdir minus p is not added in this version which we are using. This is correct one only. In which way we are creating mkdir minus p, in same way we can delete that rmdir minus p if all those are empty, and here all are empty only. So what is called as empty? Empty means no file should be there, then that is empty. So under b, c is there, under c, d is there, under d, e is there, f, g, h, I, no files we kept anywhere. Suppose here under e, under g, or under I, somewhere we kept files, then that is called as not empty. If no files are there, only directory, then all these are empty directory. Okay, so it should delete. Maybe this minus p option is not added here. It is not working. So alternative approach we can follow. Recursively we can delete everything. So rm is another command. Tomorrow we will discuss. Using this rm command, it can delete directory as well as file. So here, due to some problem, maybe this is not working. rmdir minus p, then it's fine. We can use another alternative. Rm is one command. Rm command we can use for directory deletion as well as file deletion. So here both are combined. Both are combining. Then rm command also we can use. Okay. So rm command is used for file, and whenever file plus directory both are combined, then only we can go for this file. Okay, so here some code problem, maybe this version, lower version install some code problem. Only directory also it is taking by RM, but that should not come. RM will delete only file or both are present, then only. Only directory means RM will not work. Here these are only directory. Still then it is working, RM. So some problem is here in this code maybe. RMDIR appropriate one is not working. So they replaced, for that alternative they have added the code in this RM minus R. Okay, so you should know both. If one is not working, another approach also we can follow. So file and file plus directory both are there, then rm command we can use for delete. And only directory related remove we are doing, then rmdir only we have to use. But that should be the empty directory. If any single file is present anywhere, then it will not work. Rm only we have to use. Okay, so in this way we can create the files, sorry, not files, directories, and we can delete the directories also. So tomorrow we will do how to create file and how to delete files also, and combination of files and directory. Now another thing, we can create the directory rmdir, sorry, mkdir. Suppose we are creating in this way, directory 1, 2, 3, 4, like that we want to create. So within curly braces we can write directory 1, then it will create one directory, that name will be dir1. Then again we can give 5, dir5. We can give another one, 9, 4, 6, 8. So what it will create? It will create few directories with name dir1, dir5, dir9, dir4, dir6, dir8. So no need to mention again and again dir1 space, dir5 space, dir9 space, like that no need to mention. Direct we can do this. So all these are created. Now same way we can remove also rmdir. All are removed. Okay, so this is one way. Next, ls mkdir dir. We want to create with some sequence wise 11.20. Okay, so it will create from 11 to 20. dir 11, dir 12, dir 13, dir 14 up to dir 20. No need of mention all those. One starting number, one ending number you can give, so that it will create with one ascending order. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, it is created. Okay, so these are the options available while we are creating the directory. Same we can delete also. rmdir. Nothing is there. Okay, so this is deleted the directory.
The RMDIR is only to delete directory, or we can also use
only directory, not file.
Okay, so RM-RF they use to delete.
This is R is coming means recursive. Recursive is coming means directory also it will come under that, under that, under that. So it can contain some files also in some directory, subdirectory. So in that case, R we can use for forcefully.
Okay, yeah.
RM for both file plus directory. Only file RM, file plus directory RM, only directory RMDIR.
Okay, sir.
RMDIR not for file. This is purely for directory. Okay, so whatever we did today, you can do practice. Then tomorrow we'll continue with the file creation, file deletion, and combination of files and directory. Then some other topic will continue.